It's my anniversary. Okay, it's almost my anniversary. I can hardly believe it, but it's been 5 incredible years since I moved to Lisbon, Portugal. It feels just like yesterday that we were applying for our visas. It's amazing how time flies. Sometimes it feels like forever ago, and other times it feels like it was just yesterday. The excitement of finally becoming a permanent resident here is truly indescribable. And when I tell you I have documented everything, I have documented everything. From selling our homes, applying for visas, fingerprints, apostilles, packing, planning, moving dogs, you name it, I filmed it. I wasn't trying to create a course or sell anything, but I just wanted to capture the happy roller coaster of moving my entire life and family here. And now, looking back, I realize I have enough footage to create a whole movie. Now, I can't decide if it will be a comedy or an action film, but I can dream. Since TikTok really isn't the place for long videos, I've decided to share all of it over on my YouTube channel, every step of the journey to finally landing here and building a new life. So in celebration of my 5 years in Lisbon, I'm moving the full story to YouTube. So if you've ever thought about moving abroad or just love a good adventure story, I'd love for you to check it out. TikTok family, Instagram family, thanks for taking a journey with me. 5 years in Lisbon. This is just the beginning.